Hey there for parents, listen up. Got a trip or work piling up. No worries, we got your back. Hannah, mama, your pet won't lack.